Hi. Welcome to Eva Software Solutions. Today we are going to learn how to edit existing customers' details. Why we edit the customer's details. When the customer change his address name or any document, then we need to update the customer details. So let's start. In homepage, first you have to click on Service and again click Service. And in Service click on Customer. Then you will see this page. In this page you have to click on Search. Now you will see the pop-up page. On that you have to search the customer name. And click on Go. Now you will see the customer details below. Here you have to click on Customer Name. Then you will see all details of the customer. Next you have to click on Edit button. To edit customer's details. Now you can edit all details of customer. Like name, address, article information or attached any document of customer. After editing all the details, you can click on Save button. Then you will see pop-up data saved successfully. Now click on OK. So here we learn how to edit customers' details. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.